Who's this, Snor Gang? Who's that, baby? Look at this adorable little guy. Look at him, man.
What's going on? It's your boy Danny Zed with that Danny Zed intro.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, his car is so much nicer in person. Not that it's ugly on camera or anything.
I'm not a racer. It looks good.
I'm sure you guys already know this is Danny Zed. Oh, your keys work.
Yeah, they were.
You put the battery the right way.
Yo, he was like, oh, you were no help. I was the greatest help. I made you mess up your carbon fiber door handles.
Look how bad this is, dude.
It's not that, bro.
Still,
Really?
bro. that didn't have to happen.
Today we're gonna do all sorts of ratchetry. I drove all the way from Miami, which is like what, 200 miles? I don't know. I drove all the way. Oh, look at my wing. Look what I did yesterday, and it's so terrible. I was like, you know what?
Dude, what the heck?
Yeah, I was like, cause my wing, I didn't have any clear. Oh yeah. I didn't have any clear, so I was like, oh, let me try and fix it. It's getting painted anyway, so.
Isn't it supposed to be glossy?
Yes, I got the wrong kind of clear.
Hey, it's like, oh, my door handles.
Yeah, right? You gotta go single exit fan, dog.
Look at mine.
No, you're good. You can fit at least two of her.
At least like 3 fingers.
Wow.
Okay. All right, well, let's get out of here. Oh yeah, that's right. Let's go look at the 300.
Here, bro. That's A1 interior.
Danny, oh my god. How do you even sit in here?
There's like metal sticking out.
What the heck? Dude, that's dangerous. What the heck? But I mean, the car is sick, but that's dangerous.
We're out here.
Oh my.
Whatever. Let's get gas because Danny never has gas, and then we're gonna head out.
Cold start for me, baby. Let's hear it.
So 1 out of 10, who's louder, me or Danny?
Thank you.
I don't think so. Look here, hold it.
I think so.
Here, hold it.
Mine's not cold though. Wait.
Your normal starts louder than my cold start. I will start.
Dude, get a single exit, bro.
I know.
Danny's rear bumper when you're driving, because in person, look, I'm doing the close talk thing. So in person, this looks so much sicker than it does on camera, bro.
Thank you.
Dude, I approve. And it looks like, I was trying to tell him, but it looks like an upside down Majin Buu symbol. Hold up, let me help you. Yeah, you know, whatever. But he doesn't know what that is. You watch Dragon Ball Z?
Bro. Well, in my childhood, I watched Naruto, Yu-Gi-Oh, and Bleach. No Dragon Ball Z. Maybe like a couple episodes.
He doesn't even watch Rick and Morty, man. Why am I here?
What even is that, dude?
We're canceling the video. That's it. I'm sure you guys already know who he is, but of course I'll put his link in the description.
I did the same for him.
Yeah, you know, like, I mean, but I'm gonna put a little animation on here. Like, come on, bro.
So meeting you. Thanks for driving. He drove all the way over here, so make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. If this is the first video you watch of him, subscribe, hit that like.
If you don't, I'll hunt you, so it's fine.
I do like that bumper more.
Yeah, right. I like the V2 looks so much better.
Look at this picture, bro. Take it with your camera. Take it closer on the screen. Yeah, I love your yellow calipers.
Bro, we're like fangirling over each other's cars. I'm like, oh my god, look at this. Man.
I'm gonna copy if you don't mind.
Yeah, go for it.
Like I had that idea first, so like technically.
Yeah, but I executed it first, so technically you copied me. And I got a Z before you, so.
Whoa!
I didn't. I did.
You copied me, so.
Yeah, well, I got black wheels first, though.
You did.
Okay, so.
But I thought about getting black wheels since the beginning.
You got a 300.
You did it because I painted my black.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, look. She's got his keys, right? All right.
Okay, let's leave now.
Yeah, right.
Let's go.
Well, it's not like his keys work though. Hey! We came here to Naples with a purpose of course. Oh man, look at that beautiful dude, bro. What? That was actually just come do a tuned versus untuned comparison for Danny's channel. This video was supposed to be for his as well too, just because I know you guys like to rank on Danny, and I do too, don't worry, about his shifting. So we're here to try and help him out. Now, it kind of was a fail because I missed second twice, so hopefully we don't miss. Oh, ooh. I'm gonna hop hop in his car. I just kind of want to see how he shifts because I've seen the videos. I know he kind of moves through gears slow, and I think it's just fear, baby. Danny, you got this, boy. You got this. You know, show him how to miss second gear like a real man. I'm filming. I got Danny's camera, my camera. Boy, we out here. What?
We out here multi-test.
Okay. Oh God.
So there's a little segment in the vlog before I get to drive his car. I want Noir's amazing at shifting. I want his honest opinion on my shifting.
Oh,
you guys
God.
always roast me. It's raining right now. We might die, but I just really I have to know if I'm decent or not, bro.
All right, bro. I believe in you. All right.
Yeah,
Highly
on the way
account.
back?
Yeah, do it on the way back then. Bro, you got it. Ooh. We got so much work to do.
Was it that slow?
Danny.
How's my first to second?
I mean,
I'm feeling pretty confident on that one.
it's not, you know, dang, I don't want to be mean, bro.
Is that bad?
Danny, what the hell?
Oh,
Yes.
What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong?
Oh my God, Danny, I believe in you, bro. Like you got this.
Nobody's ever.
You look so like unsure of yourself. Like
I got this, bro.
All right. So what I'm saying is that, and I'm sure some of you guys can chime in. Look, I'm not a pro or anything, but just based off my experience, man, and my trips to Mexico, you have to
Which we're
hit.
at right now.
Huh?
Which we're at right now.
Yeah, we never left Mexico, bro. He went to the cruise in Mexico and came back by car. What a crazy guy. You have to hit that pedal so fast, bro. And just when you feel yourself like,
Oh, here's the thing. I did leg day yesterday.
oh my God, the
dude,
excuses.
that's why,
Oh
bro.
my God.
Dude, yesterday I did leg day and my legs are just.
I didn't know I was filming with Felipe with all these excuses. Oh my God. So he's like, who the hell is Felipe?
What's up, Felipe?
Dude, you have to hit the clutch pedal fast. Your engagement point's high, so once you feel the clutch like disengage, bro, slam it into gear. But you don't have to like Hulk hands it. Just like that, you know? Like that. Yeah, just
make the noise?
If you want to shift fast, yes.
Gotcha.
I better hear the
I think I'm gonna practice first and second first.
Okay. I believe in you, bro.
You believe in love after love.
You got this? You got a highly account. See, because you want to know what it realistically is. You're shifting decent. It's the clutch pedal, bro. You're just holding on. That's it. Damn. Dude, don't be afraid to miss a gear. It happens, bro. You just gotta.
It has to be that fast.
Yeah, it has to be quick, bro.
Dang, I just don't. I feel bad for this car right now.
Because I forgot who it was that you were racing, but you were like, oh, how am I keep? Damn, my car looks so beautiful, bro. Be like, you were like, oh, how did I keep up with this person? I can't remember.
Nismo.
Yeah, I think so. And you know what? If you were shifting better, you would have won.
I would have beat him. I know. I looked back the footage, and I was ahead of him, and then I was like, and I went back.
You got to think, man. That's like half a second of lag that you're adding in your race, and that's like per gear. Dude, just kick that clutch pedal. Believe in yourself.
Okay, before we continue talking about clutch pedal, could you feel mine? It's not as heavy as it was, but I don't know. Just feel it.
You want me to feel your clutch, bro?
I want you to feel my clutch.
Oh my God, yes.
Zooming on my face right now.
Hell yeah, let me feel your clutch, bro. Okay. I'm not gonna get all the way in because I'm too big. Oh my God. Oh, dude, your clutch is soft, bro.
Compared to yours, it's soft?
Yeah. Ooh, hey, you guys, ooh, you see that? No, you're engaged. You have like a lot of, it's like a little bit of dead zone.
Yeah.
Okay, so, hold on, wait, Danny, I'm gonna adjust your seat. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. All right, I'm gonna try and help him out. Hold up.
Nowhere steals my car.
Yeah,
It's good.
I need help.
Oh, I gotta close the other door. Yo, this Gorilla Pod is great. I gotta get one of these.
Bro, bromies, thank you.
Look at this guys. Let him drive the car.
Oh my God. Alright, Danny, I can understand what's going on. It's different, man. Your clutch feels a lot softer, bro. Go feel my clutch now.
I'm gonna put your
Clutch mates, go feel it.
Mine used to be like this.
You like that noise?
Why does it do that though?
Dude, it's the CMAC kit because like it wasn't installed with grease and now it just makes crazy noise. But whatever, I don't even care. I get used to it. It still works. But you see what I mean though? Like,
You don't have that little dead thing. I mean, I didn't either, but
use
use the put it into gear. Pretend like you're actually driving.
Wait, goes much easier into gear. Much, bro.
You want to know the secret, bro?
Shift knob.
No, not yeah. Actually, the shift knob does
help a lot.
Dude,
look at this.
Yeah, because it just wants to go into gear.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna tell you off camera what I did with the transmission, but
Can't tell everything, bro, because then you guys are gonna start gapping me even more. Now you're the one that has to have two things in your hands. You ready for this?
All right, wait. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Is it recording, bro?
Yeah, bro. Better get your good side. All right, well. All right.
So much better at shifting than me. Damn.
Dude, I'll tell you straight up, your car is hard to drive, bro. Like, oh, that's so sick.
Yeah.
Wait, I don't have that. I don't have that luxury, dude. But here's the thing, man. I'll give you. Let's turn on some air so we don't have a sauna together. Wow, why am I so? This technology, man. I'm not ready for this.
This is like 2000s technology.
Your car is difficult because the clutch pedal is so soft, like super soft, and also the engagement point is like a little too high. I don't know if that makes sense. So soft pedal and high, super high engagement
and then
point.
It doesn't really want to go into the gear.
Yeah, it's pretty notchy. Like it just reminds me of my car. Like before I did everything to it, this is exactly how it felt.
Really?
And once I changed that, bro, like it's just butter. Like you'll see once you drive my car. It's oh, you're stuck, bro.
You're gonna see
it's like getting bro, you just gotta go balls deep.
Yeah.
There's no other advice I can give you. Just kick the clutch, don't be scared, pull it into gear, and let's see, bro. Once it clears up, because right now, of course, Florida doing Florida things.
It was raining, then it was sunny, then now it's raining again.
I like just zooming in on your face. Did I get a booger?
Oh, dude.
The disrespect. But yeah, bro, like once it clears up, we'll see. The rain's been on and off in Mexico. Why did I say Florida doing Florida things?
Bro, what are you?
Yeah, right? Wow.
Oh, because we were just there. Like.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we had to get gas, so we came back, and now we're back in Florida. And, well, back in... I just want to see you rip it, because I believe in you, dog. I believe in you. I believe in you.
I can do it.
Your hair is red. You're faster than me. Like, dude, you got this. Sorry, we're gonna let him drive my car. Let's see, and I guess we can get. You can do a rip if you want. Try, and then we can do it one here. So.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Well, hopefully you don't die, Norgang. Danny, I'm gonna need a full on from you. All right.
Full send.
Yeah, like, bro, beyond full send.
Listen. So I don't like ripping people's cars. So it's gonna be like a full send.
This better be like the most sendliest send of all sends. Like, I want my grandmother to be disappointed in us right now. It's the clutch pedal, dog. You gotta...
I know, I'm super slow on the clutch, 100%.
Bro, just give it a rip. You can do it. Just even if you miss a gear, just let off the throttle. That's it.
Yeah.
But if you just kick the clutch, bro. That's it. You got this. Don't be scared. Go, Danny Z-Fam, go. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, hell yeah, bro. There we go. Let's go, baby. Yes, there we go. We are teaching him, bro. You got what's the temps? You gotta do one more. You gotta do one more.
We left it on a good note.
Yo, leave a comment down below if you should do it again. When you come to Miami, dude, I was so excited. I think I spit all over my camera, bro. Dude, I was so high, man. Dude, but you see what I mean? You ripped it.
That was good.
Oh man, floor it. Huh? Floor it. Yo, dude, but now can you do it in your car?
Probably.
you gotta believe. Oh God, here. Oh, I gotta see how you do.
You my camera?
Nah, it's mine now, bro.
What?
You want? He's gonna two-step it. Two-step, Danny!
is loud, bro. What? Dude, I gotta get a like resonator or something, bro.
I'm telling you, it's loud.
It's
like,
loud.
I thought my car was loud. Guys, this is just
stupid loud.
Are you ready to prove yourself?
I am ready, bro.
Okay.
We
you
got
sure?
this. I'm 100% ready.
Don't let Brittany down, man.
Let's go.
All right. No, yeah, he was like, all right, let's go.
All right, well, like I said, if you can shift it in my car, mine's a little bit more set up for it, but yours.
We might not want to.
No, well, we can always just do like walk around footage and all that. So
Yeah, let's just.
since there is a cop around here, I'm just gonna get some like footage of his car, pretending like we're actually just like vlogging. Do they bother you out here though?
Not really. He's probably gonna go walk by the way, guys. There's a cop right. But yeah. So we're just vlogging.
Dude, look at it. Look at this pretend montage. That is nice. Look at this. Look at this pretend montage. Look at the wheels.
Hopefully he doesn't say anything. It's Mexico though, so
Yeah.
I don't think they should bother us in Mexico. They're gonna bother us.
How you doing? Yeah, we're just getting some pictures and stuff. Thank you. You have a good one, brother.
That guy was cool. Yeah, I like him. You like that?
I think I'm gonna let Brittany down for today.
You like that pretend montage? You like that?
Well, we'll wait a moment and we'll get back to it because I'm not trying to, look, he's just parked and waiting.
Yep.
Well, I think we might have to relocate in Mexico. All right, so we couldn't really get the rip that we wanted out of Danny's car just because one, the rain. We kind of bypassed that. We kind of just did it anyway. But dude, we had to like we had to pretend like we were just shooting a montage. Bro, unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna be able to get that rip of Danny, man. It was only happening in my car.
Oh, this is good though. Like, if you want to see it, come back to the channel. Well, don't stay in the channel, but come back to the next video we're gonna do where I do rip it.
Money. I'm just gonna end the video here, man. Like, dude, thank you, bro. Thank you, man.
Thank you for driving over here.
Yeah, hey, you're next, bro. You gotta come next time.
I'm gonna come to Miami.
You got it. Say it again.
I'm gonna come to Miami.
Okay. He said it like I'm gonna go there. But if you guys like the video, just make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Like I said, thanks to Danny ZZ for inviting me out to the house in Naples.
Yep.
While it's pouring. Dude, it was fun.
Florida weather, dude.
Yeah,
Florida
You mean
weather.
Mexico?
Mexico weather. Mexico weather.
Money. You want to close this one out? You got it?
So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe. We already said it, but make sure you guys like. If you're coming from my channel, just subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
You gotta do the hand thing.
The hand thing,
yeah,
how like this?
Or you can piece it. Peace.